friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed flat today, forming a small bullish flag on the hourly charts. But on the daily charts, the most important thing is that we are still trading above 20 and 40 daily moving average, and the momentum indicator on the daily charts have just given a buy signal. It's a fresh buy signal, so I think a new cycle overall on the upside should start because markets have taken support at this upward sloping trend line and has started forming higher tops, higher bottom. I'll be expecting markets to close above 63.30 and then a good rally on the upside. 63.30 would remain a very crucial resistance going forward. On the hourly charts, this downward sloping trend line has broken on the upside. A small bullish flag pattern has been forming, consolidating in this area, and I'll be expecting this pattern to break on the upside because it is taking support at 20 and 40 hourly moving average. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts is still traveling on the downside, but as soon as this flag pattern breaks on the upside, I think the momentum indicator would give a buy signal. Bank Nifty has also closed positive today. That's a very good sign, above 40 daily moving average, just facing resistance at 20 daily moving average. But I'll be expecting that to break on the upside because this is a small consolidation here, and I'll be expecting this consolidation to break on the upside. The momentum indicator is just turning. It is in the negative right now, but it is just turning, and I'll be expecting a buy signal very soon because it has taken support at this upward sloping trend line here. Support would be around 11,200 and 11,000. Resistance would be around 11,510 and 11,650. Reliance looks the best right now. It has been in a range since last, I think, couple of months now. It's been since 2013 starting. It has been in this range, and now the range is getting narrower, and now I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside overall. The momentum indicator on the daily charts has given a buy signal. It has been forming higher tops, higher bottom. I have kept a stop loss around 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is around 869, and targets would be around 905 and 932 in the momentum side. Till the time this range is hold, I think it should be trading till 932. That is the upper end of this range, and I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside. The second call would be on Tata Steel. It has been in a superb, positive momentum, and it has been trading a positive above 20-40 daily moving average. This is the hourly chart, and this bullish flag pattern has broken on the upside. A small consolidation today has broken on the upside, taking support at 20 and 40 hourly moving average. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have just given a buy signal, so it's a very good momentum buy. Stop loss should be maintained at 421, and targets would be around 438.50 and 447. So overall, bias remains positive in the short term. In the medium term outlook, 6130 and 6200 remains very crucial for the markets as support, and resistance would be around 6330. If we close above 6330, then the rally should be till 6400 and 6500. Thank you so much.